Flooding has been a real issue for properties in the lower Cobden area in Greymouth over past years. This flooding is not caused by the flood wall, which provides substantial protection to homes here from the potential impacts of the Grey River, but is due to a range of factors. These include overflow from Range Creek, stormwater from overland flow, backflow through storm drains, and an increased water level in the Cobden Lagoon from spring tides and storm surge all having an effect. There is no one solution that will fix all of these problems, so we are looking at a combination of actions to reduce flooding in this area. Using various return period models, staff from the West Coast Regional Council, Grey District Council and NIWA have been working closely together to identify the combination of protection works that will get the best outcomes for those affected. Following the Greymouth Rating District meeting, new options to reduce flooding in the lower Nelson Quay and Clifford Streets in Cobden will proceed. Council Engineer Brendan Russ explains the improvement works that have been designed.
The first option is to look at the capacity of the Cobden Lagoon. To increase capacity, we will look at the floodgate, which is on the Range Creek culvert. We will also look at putting in telemetry points up and downstream of the culvert. This will feed live information to the council. We will get accurate levels of any floods that are occurring, and we can then automatically shut the floodgate from the council offices. The second option is to construct 100 metres of bunding on Nelson Quay and Clifford Street. This will help to minimise the impact of flooding from the Cobden Lagoon. We will also install a culvert with a flap valve, which will ensure stormwater flows one way into the Cobden Lagoon and not back the other way into the properties. We hope to have the bund work started and completed within a couple of months, and the floodgate and the telemetry sites, that'll take a bit longer. We need to get power to these sites, so I'd hope to have all this work completed within 6 months.
To keep up with how these works are progressing, Council will be posting Facebook updates regularly. Keep an eye out for these and check out how progress is going.